Hi, it's Mandy with Crafty Glam. I'm going to show you how you can turn a basic t-shirt into a super fabulous fashionable tee by using a chalk couture transfer. This one is called Pumpkin Spice. I have placed my ink mat underneath so it holds the transfer in place. Also, so this Chalkology ink that I'm using does not go through to the other side. It is permanent. Once heat set, you'll use an iron for 4 minutes on both sides or an easy press like I have here. I am using a small squeegee to apply this Chalkology ink, just putting it right over those silk screen areas. I'm using white and orange, and look at this one, it's gold and it has so much shimmer in it. I love it, it's fabulous. Okay, so I've covered up all those silk screen areas. Squeegee off any excess, you could put it back into your jar and then you just peel it back. Voila, how fast and simple is that? So I took out my ink mat, I'm gonna blow dry it, grab some parchment paper and heat set all the areas. Then to make it a little more fabulous, I'm gonna cut the neck off just about an inch below the neckline. Just cut it, no measuring, just whip it around. I am stretching it out, and then down at the bottom, I just cut a few inches up, tied a little knot to make it a little more girly and fun, and look how cute it is. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Bye.